Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can upload code to cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now, cPanel thankfully has an integrated file manager, which you can use to upload any sort of code that you want, or any type of file that you would like into your user files on your site. However, you can also edit HTML files and CSS files, if I'm not mistaken, through the file manager as well, so it is very easily done and very intuitive. Now, the way that you upload these files is, of course, you should have your files on hand on your device that you're currently using. Then you need to log into cPanel. The way you access this is you either put in the IP address of your site or the domain address of your site onto the URL. If you're using the domain address, you can use /cPanel or :2083, and if you're using the IP address, you can just type in :2083. That's the port which lets you access cPanel, and then you just need to use your credentials and log in. Then you need to navigate to the file section and locate the file manager and enter it, and then you'll see a screen such as this. This is sort of your files overview, very similar to a view in Windows on Windows Explorer. Pretty sure it's similar to Mac as well, or iOS, and to Linux as well. So yeah, you can just enter the public HTML folder, and if you haven't done anything, it might be empty. However, you do need an index.html and an htaccess file to be able to control your site properly. But once you're there, you can just click the plus file icon in the top toolbar, and then you can select the files that you have on hand and upload them directly into your site. The public HTML or www are the folders which store your site data, and any code you want to upload, you should upload there. You can very easily just double click any HTML file and you can edit the code from there as well. However, that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.